Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how I created this bold lips and no eyeshadow with wing liner makeup tutorial. So guys, if you want to see how I created this makeup look, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. So guys, I'll be making use of this ZA Essence. It's a facial oil, okay? She's called ZA True White Essence Lotion. I'll be using it as my primer. So, and I'll also be applying this Nivea Men Crochet Balm as well, okay? Now we'll be making use of Mary Kay foundation in the shade Bronze, okay? So guys, recently I started having some breakouts, some pimples on my face. I'm just trying to update my skincare routine, okay? So guys, now that the foundation is on, we are going to blend it using this beauty blender. The link to it will be in the description. Make sure you check it out, okay? Guys, to highlight my face, I'll be making use of this concealer, okay? Also check out my video. I also made a review of this concealer, okay? I also did a review on it, okay? And some of the hauls I made. And so guys, for my contour, I'll be contouring my face using this contour stick. The link to this contour and my concealer will be in the description. I also made a review video on it, okay? Also check it out. So guys, you're going to start from here. Guys, we're going to blend out the highlight first and then the contour, okay? So guys, I'm also using the same beauty blender I used, okay? And I'm also going to blend my lid at the same time. Conceal my lid at the same time, okay? And now guys, I'm going to blend out the contour, okay? Guys, for my brow, I'll be making use of this brow gel. The link to this brow gel will be in the description, okay? So guys, you all know the rule. First of all, you're going to draw a line below your brow, and then draw another line above, and then you're going to just fill it in. I'm using this translucent powder to set my face. I've also made a review on this loose powder. Also check it out. So guys, my face is becoming so oily these days. Can you guys please tell me any DIY face masks I need to do, okay, to reduce my face oil, okay? Can you guys please suggest any DIY videos, DIY face masks videos to reduce pimples and face oil, okay? So guys, now we are going to blend out everything, okay? I'm not really baking, I'm just allowing the powder to soak up the oils on my face. and I'm also setting my lid at the same time. Okay, my face is becoming so oily. Contouring my face using this contour. Okay, so guys, the link to the contour and to this highlight will be in the description. Make sure you check it out, and also this brush I'm making use of. Okay, so guys, now I'll be applying some highlights. Like what? Yellow highlight. Oh my god. So guys, for my blush, I'll be making use of this blush here. Okay, for my eyeliner, I'll be lining the eyes. Okay, so guys, I have no shadows on. Like I told you guys, I just applied my eyeliner and then put on my lashes. I'm wearing this lash in the one called Volume. Okay guys, and I also applied some eyeshadow onto my lower lash and some mascara. So guys, having said that, now we are going to apply some lipstick. Okay, so guys, this is the lip liner I'll be using, and for my lashes, the link to the lash I'm wearing will be in the description, and also the link to these lip liners. Okay, this is the lip liner I'll be using and the lipstick I'll be making use of. Okay, now guys, we'll be applying the lipstick. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look. Also check out my video on how I created this side parts slick bun hair, slick bun and short hair. So guys, don't forget that the link to all the items I used, to all these beauty products I used, will be in the description. Okay, and also please guys, I want you guys to follow me on my Instagram and my Snapchat, and also on my Facebook and Twitter pages. Okay, I'll put the link in the description. So guys, that is it for today. Make sure you check out some of my makeup tutorials and videos. Okay, so guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.